Well, last week we had a fun little tweet from Lewis Phillips saying that Eli Tomac was testing something interesting. Now, we obviously have had the rumor of him going to, or maybe going to, Ducati for a while now. The new one coming out that he might be going to KTM. Well, this coming from Matt Burkeen's latest YouTube video, depending on if you want to believe this or not, however you want to go, saying that he says, or as he knows, that Eli Tomac tested the Ducati last week. Now, this is big because obviously big team, big money. They're going to want to come into Supercross, motocross, whatever it is, and be competitive instantly. And what better of a person to help you develop that bike for Supercross than somebody who is as talented, as fit, as top of the range, as you want to say it, as Eli Tomac. Now, who knows if this is going to be a one-time test, if he's going to just try out as many bikes as he possibly can, or for them, if they just said, hey, can you ride this for a couple of times or a couple of laps or a day and just give us some feedback? I mean, as far as I know, he doesn't have anything set up for next year in 2026. And we do have the recent quote from him saying that he's not done. He wants to continue racing next year. So who knows? With Yamaha apparently not having him signed right now, KTM having an open seat, probably the number one seat with Plessinger being signed. Obviously, he's not exactly going to be the title contender, to be honest here. And with Ducati coming in, it's going to be, where does he fall? I mean, I think Ducati would be an incredible thing to see. If he can get on that bike, if he signs with them, we already know it's fast. It's Ducati. It's going to be a rocket ship if you compare it to anything else that they're racing right now on the road. Obviously, it's a different frame, platform, whatever you want to call it, but they're going to want to come into the sport. They're going to be throwing money around into this to be competitive, to be on the top right from the start. You know, they're not going to want to come in and be a Suzuki team at the moment. Nothing against Suzuki, but let's be honest, they're kind of the back marker. And somebody, or Ducati as a company, they're winning everything. WSBK, Moto America, MotoGP, it's any sort of bike racing that they're doing right now. They are at the tip top of it. So you know that they are going to want to be right up towards the top along with this. And could he get on that bike and help them develop it, help them be competitive right off the start? Probably. I mean, let's be honest here. He's going to have the fire again because another championship ruined, another year ruined with an injury. He's going to want to come in and prove that he's still fast. I mean, if he's racing, you know he's not going to be happy rolling around in 12th. It's going to be, I want to be up front. I want to be a title contender. I want to be on the podiums going for wins. And if it does happen, this is going to be big. Who knows if it's a one-person team, a two-person team, what they're actually going to roll out here. But I'm excited for it either way. And if he's going to be on it, if he's going to be even on the KTM, it's going to be a funny thing. I mean, we're going to have a lot of people retiring soon, a lot of people swapping, you know, silly seasons coming up, and who knows where all the chips, everyone's going to fall. But this is where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. What do you think? Do you think he actually did ride it? Do you believe it or not? Do you want him to go to Ducati? Would you rather him be on KTM, stay on Yamaha if he can? I've seen some really stupid things of people saying, oh, he'll just make a privateer team for Yamaha. Oh, it's easy. He can just get sponsors. And it's like, you people don't understand how much money that costs to run a team and do it successfully or do it at a, top level. But so I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Are you excited for outdoors? Are you going to any of the rounds? Anything about Ducati or Eli Tomac thing? Comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things the platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.